Welcome everyone back with another video on investing with fours. Today we're gonna do a portfolio update, and right now I'm trading over $1,000 at $12.15. Even though the market is down, and I'm down over 2% for the day, I'm still gonna keep buying because this is what I enjoy doing. This is my passion, is investing. I had some ups and downs along the road all these years investing, so now I'm more focused than ever. So I just want just talk about my journey, you follow my journey to see the ups and downs that I actually go through in investing. So I got a big wide range of investing. I also invest into instead of stocks, I also invest into crypto too as well. I just don't have as much on a Robinhood platform as I do on Coinbase and Uphold. So, and today we're going to talk about building a great foundation to my individual account. And I think, this is the play that I really always wanted to get one ETF of, one share of, and that is ticker symbol QQQ, Invesco QQQ, and that's trading around $500 to $24.87. Excuse me. And that was actually down today 0.77%. In the past week, it was down 0.83%. The past month, looked like it was up over 9.65%. In the past 3 months, it was up over 5.78% for the past 3 months. Year to date, up over 2%. Past year, up over 14.60% for the past year. And past 5 years, up over 125%. So if I would have just, had, $500 just sitting here 5 years ago, I would have been up over 125%. That is way better than having money just sitting in a savings account or just in my shoebox or drawer. So that's the reason why I think the power of investing and dollar cost averaging is really the best way to go to building wealth and building long-term generation wealth. And I learned a lot too from watching other YouTubers as well and reading books and just learning as much as I can. And now I really just take full leap into this investing journey. So this is really what I want to get built out, and this is it's a pretty large amount for just to get one ETF, but I think this will be a great hold on my portfolio because I got more like high dividends, high ETFs, more riskier plays in this account. So I need to have a great foundation to building out this portfolio, and I think QQQ would be the best for building out this portfolio to set that base format. And I'm just talking about this great plays that can hold this portfolio together. But two of my favorites now that I really gonna focus on getting to 100 to 1,000 shares, and one of those is a high risky play, and that's ticker symbol MSTY. It's a yield max MSTR option income strategy ETF, trading around $20.38. I got a market value of $131, average cost of about $23, and my total returns am down over 11%. So I gotta try to get my cost basis down. But they pay out monthly, but the amount that they pay out is insane. And I only have almost 7 shares, and I'm already getting paid for this month, June 6th, $10. That's almost half a share. Like now, I'm just gonna keep buying. Just try to get as many shares as I possibly can. So now I just set this on a recurring buy. So I'm just gonna deposit, every time, every 2 weeks 100, every 2 weeks 100, and not even look at it anymore. Let's just go from there. And the last month I didn't get paid out that much, but this was the reason why I looked into it, because last month, as you can see, what I get paid out last month was, May 9th, it was $3.28. That's pretty good for a monthly fund. And I think this would be great to build out a massive portfolio. So I'm very excited about that one. And last but not least, I want to talk one of my, second favorites. This is also a high risky play too. This is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing in this portfolio, and these are plays I really like, alongside QQQ and all the other stocks and ETFs I have in this portfolio. Let's take a symbol ULTY, and trading around $6.09 for the day. They've been down over 2% for the week. Also been down over 2%. Past month up over 4%. Past 3 months been down over 18%. Year to date down. See, these are risky plays. You say, just make sure you do your financial advice on these, but this is just what I'm doing. Down 32%. So I'm still thinking I'm getting at a great price entry, even though this is way down. So I think a dollar cost average per I got in around $6.03, and I'm still up over a return over 1%. So I think I'm doing pretty well, I think. And I'm getting also a weekly payout. This fund pays out weekly, $3.90. It should be a little bit more, but I didn't. I just now set up the recurring buy. It's the same as MSTY. I'm just gonna put $100 every 2 weeks in, and just go right there. Just get as many shares as I can. The goal is get 1,000 shares in this. We'll see where we at from there, and then we might just let it ride out and just let it keep just domino effect, snowball effect, whatever you want to call it, and building its own self out. But these two plays here, well, let's look at like last week what they paid me to as well. So it's still averaging around, $4 per week, which is really not bad at all. When I first started doing these high-end ETF dividend funds, my first weekly was like $5, just $5 to $7 a week. Well, it's like $5 a week. Then it went up to $7. Now I'm probably averaging about $20 a week now. That's pretty good. That's free money that I'm not even doing anything on investing. And so you see this long journey that I'm going, and I just have only 1,000. Just imagine me, getting to 1,000, and then 2,000 and 3,000 and so on. This is going to be a great portfolio, I believe, for the long term. So just comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this portfolio. Let me know what you think about these ETFs, and especially what do you think about QQQ. I would like to know. Feel free to comment down below. And thanks everyone again for watching. Everybody have a good one. I'm out. Peace.